Welcome back to Yaznexaspark. Let's heal and learn together. Today we are going to see about an important topic which is of muscles, features of muscles. And from the subject of applied anatomy for the students of first semester, B.Sc nursing students, let's go into the topic now. From this we can understand that they will be able to understand the anatomical structures so that they can implement in the clinical side. Let's see. The muscles, which is of muscles, we can classify the muscles into skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. The three is of difference in the location and also differs in the cell structures and their supplies and their functions. Now, the all will be of excitable, contract, and excitability, elasticity, and each perform their role according to the performance of the each system. Let's see the each one of them. First comes of skeletal muscles, which is of part of your musculoskeletal system. They work with the bones and also with the tendons and the ligament, which is supporting your weight and moving you. The tendon which attaches to the muscle skeleton to the bones all over your body. And the skeletal muscles are voluntary. If you think, you can move. If you're not, this is not. So the difference is of it is of voluntary muscles. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles. Kindly look into this of skeletal muscle structures and each part and marked you have to memorize. Try to practice in your notebook itself. According to the shape, it is differs. There is a parallel, binet, and unipennant, and multipennant, and circular, and conventional. The each locations, the all muscles is presented, and also each will be varying in their functions too. The cardiac muscles, the one of the specific one which is of cardiac muscles is only present in the cardiac, which is of myochondrium, which makes up the middle layer of the heart. The heart middle layer is myochondrium, which is made up of cardiac muscles only. It does not present anywhere, only is present in the heart, which so that meaning as cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles squeeze and relax so that we can pump the blood toward your cardiovascular system. So your what is of involuntary. You cannot decide when to beat and when to not beat. That is not under our control. So it is named as involuntary. That is of cardiac muscles are involuntary one. This is the cross sections of the cardiac muscles. Just note down the what are the difference between the skeletal muscles and the cardiac muscles and write it in your notebook. Smooth muscles are also the involuntary muscles which line up the intersides of the organs. They do the essentials like moving the waste to the intestine and helping your lungs to expand. The main system which will smoothing muscles will helping is of reproductive system in male and female too, and urinary system and respiratory system and in digestion. These muscles play an important role in the digestive system. This is the structure of the smooth muscles. Already I have said the smooth muscles are helping in the mainly in the digestive system. So moving of food. So this is too involuntary. Just check out the structures. In that there are thick filament and nucleus and intermediate filament. The difference in the arrangement will be present comparing with a smooth cardiac and skeleton. Just note down the differences. This is the comparisons of smooth cardiac and skeleton, which is of appearance, how its shell shape, and how many numbers of nucleus is present in a smooth muscles. There is one, but in cardiac and skeleton it will be many. The control, which is of we can control, is of only is the skeleton, and cardiac and smooth we cannot control. The speed of contractions and where is located. The cardiac muscles only located in the heart, so it differs from each of them. So just look and write down the major differences so that you can understand in the exam time too. Some of the facts about the muscles. The muscles stores the glycogen as quickly the energy fuels, and also the creatine phosphate produces instant ATP during the rapid activity. The ATP is provided, and muscle fatigue is caused by lactic acid accumulation during the anaerobic respirations, and also myoglobin stores the oxygen in the muscle fibers, and aging is also causes sarcopenia, which is of loss of muscle mass, which is of aging, which is called sarcopenia. From this, you can understand the mind map. Whatever we have seen these through the sides, these are the presence of which of characteristics of cardiac muscles and characteristics of smooth muscles and functions and skeletons. It is of like a summary. By this, you can understand the keywords of the each systems. Thank you for watching Yaznexaspark. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Wait for next video. See you until then. This is Yazhini signing off. Bye bye.